Hello everyone. So JSS has been a very enriching experience for me, and I think when I say this, it goes for all the students as well. I learned a lot and I socialized a lot when during these time it's been very hard to socialize with people. And I really liked how the training and the fun sessions were planned out. I mean, the amount of creativity put in the fun sessions was just mind blowing. I would like to thank the entire SSCRD team and especially my mentors for guiding me through all the problems. I would really miss my Team Astrominds or Astronomy, or as we like to call ourselves, Exominds. Not being able to see the faces which I got so familiar with over the journey is going to be a bit sad, but I know for one thing, surely, that I will never forget this experience. And in the end, I just like to say one thing, that Team Astronomy is the best. Thank you.
Sister, and I know how much JSS was important to her. She always wanted to learn more and more about space, and I think this was the perfect opportunity for her. Also, I got to see everybody's presentation, and I loved how everybody, all the small kids, they try to put all their best and present in front of such big people of this industry. And for that, I would like to thank all the mentors and also the group that was the association, which is SSERD, which was there to help them all and guide them. So thank you so much for giving her this path and enlightening her with what's there. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sheikh Samir Pasha, scholar and research student at SSCRD Junior Space Scientist Program. I would like to thank SSCRD for giving me scholarship on my merits to start research on exoplanets and stars habitable zone. I had a great experience in JSS where I learned what is teamwork, how to start a research, where we can find correct and perfect content for our research. And our teams had good supervisors and co-supervisors to guide us and they shown us correct path to continue our team research. I had a clear clarification by having one-to-one sections with founder and co-founder of SSCRD on my research. We used to have team discussions and training section on our research day. I enjoyed a lot in fun section with all other team members, co-supervisors and supervisors. And once again, I would like to thank SSCRD for this wonderful opportunity.
The JSS program was fantastic. It's amazing to see the amount of things Visha has learned and accomplished just in a short span of 1 month. Though I know that the journey is not over yet. But the mentorship, support, teamwork they displayed was excellent. As a parent, we are really excited that a program like JSS helped Visha streamline the deep passion she had for the subject. Our wholehearted thanks to Tejas, Clara and the entire SSCRD team for creating a wonderful platform for school kids like Visha. Best wishes to SSCRD for more laurels, success and great journey ahead.